We are going to be cooking some chicken and dumplings in the cast iron over the campfire this evening for dinner. And hopefully the winds don't come up. They're kind of expected to get up to about 10 or 11 miles per hour. We are pretty protected here at camp with all these trees. You can see kind of behind me, the wind comes from that direction generally. So shouldn't be too bad. And yeah, just getting the fire going. Let's get some coals going. Drinking a barley pop of choice from my favorite brewery, Humble Abode. Just says Humble, but it's Humble Abode Brewery out of Spokane. And you could see Liba walking around in the dog fence area back there, over that way. But yeah, so we'll be making some chicken and dumplings, and been wanting to do this one for a while. See how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right. Looks like it's time to, what are we doing, Joanne? We're cooking up the
Dutch oven chicken and dumplings.
Yeah, but what are we doing right now?
We're going to cook up the onions.
Cook up the onions. Okay.
And then we will add the chicken.
Need that a little hot first.
We'll get there.
Oh. I thought I was a chef. I'm just kind of letting my sous chef know.
Uh-huh. You're something anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to do onions and what?
Onions, chicken.
Look at the camera.
Onions, chickens.
Chickens?
Chickens.
How many chickens are we doing? Like the whole...
About
whole chicken
pound
coop?
and 3/4 of them.
Whole chicken coops worth?
No, we just pick their thighs.
So the chickens are really small to add up to 1.5 pounds or whatever you said?
Yes.
Oh.
That is correct.
Has this got the skin on?
No, boneless, skinless, chopped up already.
Boneless, skinless. And diced up?
Got everything ready here. So we'll start with our onions. Ooh, that's hot. Ow.
Fire hot.
Yes, very hot. All right.
You said onions. I saw carrots going.
No, just by accident.
No.
Few's not going to hurt. The more they're cooked and disintegrated, the better.
All right. Get some of these. We got some briquettes going to put on the top.
Yeah, so we'll start here, and then we'll end up putting it on the tripod. Put some briquettes on the top to crisp up brown up the biscuits.
All right. So let's take a few moments then.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So onions are cooking. It's only onions, but man, it smells good.
Yeah, we got the onions in there. I did add a little salt. Now we're going to add butter, which is going to make what's eventually going to be what thickens it up. I'm going to add flour in a second too.
Real butter, not that margarine plastic crap.
True. Oh, and the garlic. I'm going to add the garlic too.
You add the garlic now?
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a fine job while I drink my beer here. Cheers.
It's my beer.
This is in hiding. This is
Okay,
stout.
fine. Then it's yours.
Mm-hmm. We have a Belgian strong in the brewery we like that we're arguing over whose is whose. She thinks she gets all of them. No.
That's because it's my favorite and they're out of it because we bought the last of it.
Yeah, we definitely bought a good amount of that beer. I would almost wonder if we bought the most, excluding if they sent any kegs out anywhere. We certainly bought a lot of it. Not that we're luscious, we just really like that beer.
Woo. I think glasses would protect you from the smoke, but no.
What? What? You mean goggles? Is that Joanne's again?
No.
Oh, okay.
Put all of that in there.
So
adding flour.
Flour.
Okay.
How come you're adding flour, by the way?
It's gonna. I told you it's gonna thicken it up.
Okay, well, I was listening to you, honest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's just a thickening.
Correct.
All right. Is smoke getting to you?
Just a tad.
Oh.
You always gotta let your flour cook for a few minutes, else it tastes disgusting.
So it just tastes like powdery kind of thing.
Blah.
Huh?
Tastes like powder blah.
Powdered blanc.
Yes.
That is an official term.
Yes, it is.
Powdered blanc.
Okay, so now we're
Chicken
gonna
stock.
add the chicken stock. I've actually doubled this recipe because I got a big pot.
Okay. Is that a cup?
That was a cup. This is another cup. This recipe I am using is from Off the Grid
Off the Grid.
blog.
A blog?
It's a blog.
Or is it a YouTube channel?
It's a blog. Well, it might be both actually.
Yeah.
And now we're going to add some half and half. Half a cup.
Half a cup. All right.
And we're going to add the thyme.
At the time.
Add the thyme. We're going to add thyme.
It's taking time.
I need to stir my pot.
Oh. I thought it was fun.
Of course you did. And then I'm going to add this wonderful spice that we found in our travels.
Is that the one from Arco, Idaho?
Yes.
It's the spicy one that I like, right?
Of course not.
Of course not. I still like this one.
We like a little bit more flavoring in our stuff than...
Yeah, there's what the heck was that recipe called? Something about a pickle.
I don't remember.
Pickle or something like that. A pickle deli, I don't know. It's in Arco, Idaho. It's not that big of a town. Just research it up and you'll find it. They have some seasoning they sell and it's marvelous seasoning. They now do sell it on eBay, or not eBay, Amazon too. And we bought it through there instead of driving all the way down to Arco because that is a few.
All right.
That would be, well, I'm telling the story.
Well, you need to talk faster. I need to get stuff in the pot.
Well, Arco, Idaho.
Okay, so now we're going to add our carrots and celery. And then we're going to add our chicken.
Chicken!
If the paper towel wants to let go. Seriously.
Wow, that paper towel is great. That must be bounty.
Well, the flies weren't going to get to it.
You weren't going to get to the chicken either.
Apparently not. Oh well. A little extra fiber.
That's it. Go in the fire. In a minute. All right, chicken going in.
Chicken goes in. And now I'm going to stir it up. And somebody has to get off his butt. Oh, wait. I got to put the... Actually, I need to take it off the fire.
Oh, see? So I'm doing fine drinking my beer.
While I'm taking it off the fire, somebody has to set up the tripod.
Oh, man.
While you're doing that, I'm going to put the biscuits on top.
We need to flip the grate, though.
Oh, crap.
So that should be good. Where's the gloves?
Boy. Thought I brought a spoon out, but I guess not. I'm just dropping the biscuit mix that I had. In this case, it happened to be a
Pretty good.
Red Lobster biscuit mix.
Red Lobster mix? Ooh, yum. Here, I gotta grab the camera for this. Take a look at this. A little closer. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, it smells great. fire. Got some cups right there ready to go on top.
Whew. Try and get as much out of the bowl because, you know, the dish doer gets cranky when things get dry.
Yeah.
Put that right there. Off with you.
Is that all of it?
Yep.
So just the lid on and on the tripod. We need to put briquettes on it right away, or? Okay.
Yes. Briquettes go on right away.
You're not wearing a glove. You gonna be okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I'm putting it on the first time, yes. Bye.
It's pretty centered. That's good.
Oh. Holy cow.
All right. These tiny little grabbers. But hey, gets me away from the fire. I'm sensitive. I don't want to burn. Delicate. I'm a delicate flower.
You just burst out with rainbows.
Yeah. It's a family show, so I can't say the words I really want to say. What do you think I need?
Two more would be good.
More?
Yeah. And then we will check it in 10 minutes. Because it's not going to take long to cook because that chicken cooked really quick when it's
It's pretty even.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Alrighty.
Not really even. It's 7%, but you know, you get it. All right, so now it's time to sit back and enjoy a beverage. Stop.
Oh my gosh. I should have brought Kleenex out with me.
There we go. Cuts on it. Fire going at a reasonable. Leva wanting to come over. Leva, I'm sorry, you can't. You're in a state park. You can't run around loose. What are you doing?
Don't eat the fence.
What are you eating the fence? Well, go get in your chair. We got a perfectly good chair for you right over there. Go get in your chair. Get in your chair. Where's the chair? Go get in your chair. You can get in your chair? Nope. So, let me zoom out here. Whoa. That was way too close. Holy cow, who's operating this camera? So, we still have plenty of firewood left. We've got next Wednesday, Thursday that I'm off. You think and it's supposed to be real beautiful starting next week. Do you think we should cook one more thing over the fire?
I think we should. What would you like to cook?
Prime rib, crab legs.
What would you like to cook that's in your budget?
Top ramen. I don't know. Should we do like a mac and cheese maybe? We've got some of that one cheese that we need to use up. That special cheese, that smoked cheese.
Yeah. We can do that.
Yeah.
Look for that.
All right. Well.
Yeah. Oh, you know what?
What?
Tomorrow I'm gonna do the beef fingers in the Instapot, and we'll have leftovers of that
To put in
to go with the
mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good. Yeah. All right. Yes. Well, this is cooking. We'll get back to you and see where we're at. All right. So Joanne wants to take it off to check it. Goes on here.
You don't want overcooked biscuits.
Oh no, still got to wait.
Nope. It's fine. So now we also want to rotate it.
Rotate. Which way was it? Do you remember?
Yes.
Oh, I don't.
And you probably could put a couple more of those briquettes on top.
Oh, means you got to get up. Okay, hold on. All right. All right, we're going to check this again. My battery in my mic is obviously low. Sorry about the audio from me. Maybe that's a good thing, but let's go ahead and check this, Joanne. Well, the mic just shut off again, but I haven't charged this since I got it, so I can't complain. But I'm just going to have to deal with it because it will not stay on. Well, it is boiling. What do you think?
I think I should have brought a fork out with me. Oh wait, I did bring a fork out with me.
Poke the dumplings?
Not quite.
Not quite. Pretty
few
close,
more minutes.
though. It won't take much longer.
Serpent foot. Oh yeah, that's done. The chicken's done.
Cool.
Just checking. Okay,
A
so
little bit more heat on the top and not much longer.
yep.
Cool.
Smoke up my eyes.
All right.
So we are ready to pull it off the fire, and I'm going to take it over into our little camp kitchen because it's getting a tad windy out here, and then we'll get back with you when it's time to serve up.
So, get that off. Get down and cover it when we get there.
Yeah.
We might uncover it now to get the ashes off, right?
Oh, yeah. Ouch.
Steaming.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it smells so good. I am hungry. All right, so she's going to take this to the tent like she said. I got to grab a hose and put this fire out because the wind is starting to pick up. And then we'll see how it looks. All right, moment of truth here.
man. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my. Where do I start? Oh, look at that.
Wow. Oh, yeah. All right. We'll let you know how it tastes here in a moment. All right. You did the honors. Sorry, messy table and stuff, but, you know, hey, we live full time.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You needed some dumpling there, too?
Mm-hmm.
So, the chicken had quite a bit of juice in it. It's not quite as thick as when we started, but it's good. It's going to soak up. All right, it's time for me to eat. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Another cooking one, and hope it made you hungry. All right, take care all. Bye.